Abigail, what is that girl? I have something important to show her. I'm here. Dang, girl. What took you so long? Come down here. It's so important that God is shouting my name. Look at this move I've been practicing. Okay, hurry up. Wait, is that all? What? No. In fact, I'm just getting started. Just look at me. Okay, you're making too much noise with that mouth of yours.
Woof, there's fruit in your mouth, let me see.
Fine, you just keep watching. You looking? Abigail! So you have started sneaking out to see boys?
What are you doing
Who
here?
is he? I'm gonna tell mom and dad.
No! Come back here!
Oh, don't go. You haven't read my dance yet. I've been practicing my dance routine in front of the mirror all week. Let's show the world what true love and teamwork look like. Hold on. There's something working on me. Oh, okay, it's fine now. Just imagine the applause and the love we receive. Wait, it's fine. Let's continue. Won't be able to get enough of us. I'm still feeling it. What is it now? Let me see.